often tell people most builders do set aside a few homes for investors, because there has to be a proper balance. They don't want the whole community to be rentals and stuff like that. So they, they don't want it to be overrun by rentals.
Exactly.
But for an investor who's coming in, that are planning on holding the property again with the bumper to bumper for 2 years, the investor's not going to be bothered very much with any repairs. So that in their mind, they may have paid market value to get into the property, but yet they have a period of time where they're not going to be investing anymore into the property.
Right.
And they can maximize the rent as well because everything's new.
Right. Yeah, because brand new, exactly. And everything is all there.
And who wouldn't want to live in a home that has never been lived in by anyone else?
That's paid top dollar.
That's a great scenario. And not only that, sometimes what happens with investors, they pay cash, whatever. But after they've held on to them, and you've had some people that rent for long periods of time, but they will do owner financing at a higher interest rate sometimes for people who
just not ready.
Yeah, that aren't ready. They think of all kind of different options.
And with the